we've got a quick little project. And being New England, you have to have this old house on. So let's turn him off. We're a flannel on. We got work boots, and it's about 32 degrees out. But now that we've entered the dark ages, aka daylight savings or exit, do we enter it or exit? I don't know. I picked up some solar lights for outside, and of course they looked massive on Amazon. Like each light looked like it was this size, but well, whatever. We'll see how bright they are. It seemed pretty good. I like that it's got sides, a lower, and this is about 6 feet because where I'm putting it is the north side of the house, so I need to put this panel over that way. And they got a remote too. They got a remote so you can, when you're outside, just bleep, kick it on all the time, stuff like that. Pretty easy to mount. It's just got this slide, so I'll go outside and mount this. Then we can just slide the light in. And what else? I'm gonna give you all the screws and everything. Cool. So I think I'm gonna go right up here, just so I can get some light in the driveway, etc. And maybe one of those angled will pick up. I don't think it'll pick up motion walking in, but we'll see. All right, that looks good, right? I was gonna go under the thing for protection, but I think I want more light out here. So I'm just gonna plug in the panel now, put it on the roof, and then I'll climb on the roof and set up the panel. Hey, it's actually good that I'm up here. Get a good look at this roof. I thought there was gutters. Guess not. Well, wait a minute. Oh, it must have a drain. Well, what does this do? How does this work? Water just kind of goes to the end and pools up. I know the roof on the other side is in rough shape, but I have a bunch of this in the basement. Just gotta do it. This is east. This is as much sun as I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna put it up under this eave, protect it. Well, it shouldn't block any of the sun. I mean, seriously, I'm no brain surgeon, but how is this supposed to drain? Oh, look at this. This guy's gonna drain. What? This is just phone line. Don't have to worry about this. What? I got no gutter guard there. That's cable. And that other roof around the corner is the one that's in rough shape. So is this supposed to have a drain? I'm gonna see where that goes too. I guess it does seem pitched this way. But with all that crap, it's not gumming this way. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah, well, it must be working. Okay, before you plug the panel in, you can turn it on and off and test it. Turn it on and off and test it. I turn it on and off and test it. I did hit it. I just had this running, but not the camera. I'm sure it's just a battery issue like every other piece of equipment I own. It was charged. I charged these both up yesterday. All right, well, let's put the panel on. All right, it has been months later. I ended up moving this light on the post here rather than up here because I was picking up too much motion of cars driving by. So I wanted to shoot it this way. So when I go out to my car, it's great. Go out to the tent, do all that stuff. Yeah, it's April. Look at the flowers. They're all up. Now it's got snow. Yeah, some time's passed, and the lights are working great. So if you want to get a pair, I think it's a good idea.